Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make chicken kosha straight from Bengali cuisine. For this, first we will make a paste of onion, garlic, ginger and chili. I have taken one medium-sized onion, 20 to 25 garlic cloves, 3 to 4 chilies and 1 inch ginger. Ginger, I'll cut it into small pieces. Then I am adding in the chilies. I have taken 3 to 4 chilies. You can add as per your taste. Add in some 2 to 3 tablespoons of water and make a fine paste. Here I have taken 700 grams of country chicken. Poultry chickens are heavily fed with antibiotics. So when you fall sick and a doctor administers you some antibiotics, it just doesn't work in your body. So please to switch to country chicken as much as possible. Here I am adding in salt and 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. Then I am adding in chili powder as per taste. And then 2 to 3 tablespoons of mustard oil. Mix it well. Then I am adding in 2 tablespoons of curd. And then we will mix it well again. Now I am adding in the ginger garlic paste that we made before. One tablespoon of homemade garam masala powder and 1 tablespoon of cumin powder. Mix it well again. Now I am adding in 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder. It doesn't add any spiciness to the curry but a very good vibrant red color. Mixing it well again. Now if you have more time, refrigerate this marinated mixture for about 2 hours or even overnight. I don't have much time on hand, so I am going to refrigerate it for only 1 hour. Take any pan, add around 150 ml of mustard oil. We are going to need a lot of oil for this recipe. Once the oil is heated, add in 4 to 5 bay leaves, about 1 inch of cinnamon stick, and then 5 to 6 cardamoms. Then I am adding in 3 medium-sized onions finely chopped. Fry these onions in low flame until they turn golden brown color. This is the texture that we need. Now we are going to add in the marinated chicken. After this point, it is really a simple recipe. Now you can just keep on stirring in low flame and your chicken kosha will be ready. Keep stirring in between. After 15 minutes, this is how it looks. The moisture from the chicken and from the paste has already started to leave. I'm not going to add any more water in this recipe, but if you feel you need a more gravy, you can add in more water. Keep stirring. Also adjust salt or pepper at this point of time. After almost 30 minutes, this is how it looks. Country chicken normally takes a little longer to soften up compared to poultry chicken. This is how it is after 45 minutes and it is completely done. Serve it hot. We Bengali love chicken kosha with luchi. You can serve it with chapati or rice. Do try this recipe and let me know in the comment section below how it turned out, and please do consider subscribing to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.